Hi, my name is Mina Alibegi and I work as ZenSact, Team Collaboration and Technologies. And here maybe you wonder why I have seabirds. And this is about a project that we did with AI Sweden because we had a challenge at ZenSact that we cannot share data between different countries. We cannot share data between China and Europe. So, but we need to boost performance of our models on data collected in both sites. Federated learning could be a viable solution for us. And we did this project together and we used the seabird dataset which was collected in Gotland in 2 different sites. And we will now move to AI Sweden to learn more about this project that we did.
Welcome to AI Sweden.
Now that we have moved from outside car to the inside car, inside the Edge Lab, actually let's go into more details about the project. Federated learning seems to be a viable solution to solve this problem. So in the FedBird project, actually we learned a lot. We started to use the federated learning so to see if really that can solve our issues and what are the steps ahead if we want to use this technique in our real application. During the project, we used the FedN framework, an open source framework for federated learning. And it seems to work really good. However, there are still a lot to improve on top of that.
So we designed the FedBird use case to replicate the Hello China use case from ZenSact, where we federatedly train an object detection model from data living on the edge devices. We used a seabird dataset provided by SLU for this POC. And EdgeLab provided us with the infrastructure and equipment to test the FedBird solution. And as part of the infrastructure they have provided, we got several virtual machines to deploy our aggregation servers and also a couple of edge devices as our client nodes. The main learnings for me from these projects is that collaboration is the key to fast track development while using any new technology. And federated learning, federated average doesn't really work all the time when the distribution of the data sets across the clients is different. Such a solution can be very useful and is really a powerful tool to solve the data sharing problem that most of the industries are now facing. For example, the healthcare sector, the automotive sector, where data exists in silos, in teams inside the companies.
So what Sheetal and Mina has told us about how they have collaborated in the Edge Lab is really one of the exciting cases on how partners can collaborate here in the Edge Lab and in the data factory of AI Sweden. And this is really what we hope that all partners will take the chance to do. Reach out to us and see how you can use the Edge Lab and use the data factory for your projects.